Hey there, welcome to the video about formatting the title of a plot on or to match the style of facet strips. In this video, we're going to tackle a common problem that many our users face when trying to make their titles consistent with other elements in their plots. In a problem we have, the title len doesn't quite match the formatting of the facet strips, which have a gray rectangular box, black outline, and centered text. It stands out in a way that doesn't blend well with the rest of the plot. But fret not, we have a solution that can help with this issue. The solution involves using facet_grid instead of facet_wrap, where we specify len as the column value. By making this simple adjustment in the code, we can achieve a title format that aligns perfectly with the facet strips, creating a more cohesive and visually appealing plot. And there you have it. By making this small change in your code, you can ensure that the title of your plot seamlessly integrates with the style of the facet strips, maintaining a consistent look throughout. I hope this solution helps you achieve a desired formatting in your plots. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts on this handy tip. See you in the next video.